Puff puff or toogbei has become one of my family's favorite. Because of that, we do enjoy this almost every day. We pair this with our porridge, tea, and sometimes we do enjoy it without pairing it with anything. Because of that, I have so many ways I prepare my puff puff, and in today's video I'm sharing with you another way. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena. So I have a cup of milk, a tablespoon of yeast, a tablespoon of sugar. Mix it very well, place it in a warm place for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes I'm adding 1 cup of tombrown powder, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of sugar, half a tablespoon of cinnamon sugar. Mix it very well. I'll go ahead and add half cup of whipping cream and then mix it. So I was preparing this for my husband, but when he came, he told me he wasn't interested. Okay, so I decided to add extra things to this. So we are going ahead to add half cup of evaporated milk and then half cup of powdered milk. Okay, he does not like powdered milk, and in fact he does not eat powdered milk and evaporated milk. Okay, he introduced me to evaporated milk and powdered milk, and now he does not eat it. Can you imagine? Because we are trying to lose weight, he does not eat that again. So that is what I've added to the mixture. I will mix it very well, and after mixing it, this is how it looks. I will just put it in a warm place for an hour, and this is how it looks. Ta-da! I will bring it out and then dip my hand in it to bring out some of the air, and this is how we are going to drop our puff puff. When I brought you the beetroot ice cream, you fell in love with it, and I told you that the beetroot queen always bring us the best. So today it wasn't about beetroot, but it was about puff puff. So this puff puff recipe is inspired by Taste and Bloom, and I told you earlier that she does amazing recipes. Please do not forget to check her out and also subscribe to her channel. Just look at that perfect puff puff that we got. I thought it would be hard, but it wasn't, and after so many hours, this is how it looks. So perfect. Thank you so much for watching, and so I come your way next time. Please don't forget to follow and subscribe for more. Bye.